Hi, I'm Hilary from Jiggery Pokery Embroidery Kits. I'm going to show you how to do herringbone stitch. That's this one on the outer edge of the 5th oval shape on my embroidery sampler kit, also called my Learn to Embroider kit. So I've started this off for you. You can see that the stitch is made up of a series of slanting lines and they cross over each other, not in the middle like they would with cross stitch, but at the top edge and the bottom edge of the stitch. So that's how you get this like fishbone effect. So I've started it off so you can see I've done the top of the stitch, and now I'm coming down to put my needle through the bottom of the stitch, bottom right corner, and then to the left through the left corner, up to the right there. And you can see that I've marked out on the fabric where the stitches go, so that you can see exactly where to put them, what size to do them, and how to be sure you're getting those crosses at the top and the bottom of the stitch. It's really helpful for beginners because you know exactly what you're doing and what you should be ending up with. So pulling my needle through at the top left of the stitch, down to the bottom right, back up through the bottom left, pull the needle through, and back up to the top right.